Alright, so I'm going to quickly make a buttonholes. It's pretty easy stuff. I've got 2 leaves, you can use one if you want to. So that just goes in the back here and through the front. Like that, see? And then you bring it down like that. I know it probably is harder than what I'm making it sound like, but actually it is quite easy once you get the gist of it. This is probably the hardest part, is twirling this tape around, florist tape. You need to really be pretty strong in your thumb and your forefinger. I would recommend just wiring it a little bit, so taking a wire and sticking it up through the back of your rose, like that. And then you basically just pop that on the front. And voila, you have a buttonhole, a very basic one, but a really pretty one to put those 2 elements together. I'm also going to add a little bit more at the front of this particular buttonhole, like that. So I'm just going to add just this little detail in the front because I think that will just finish it off beautifully. I'm just going to put the tape all the way around it like that, and twist, twist, twist. And that, my friends, is how you make a buttonhole. Probably should use wire cutters because I've got wire in there, but for the sake of the video, just chop it off like that. All I'm doing here is just making sure the bottom is covered too.